Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft Edge has received once again another update. So there's been several updates in the past week for Microsoft Edge. There was the usual security updates, but several bug fixing updates, and I believe this one probably is another bug fixing update. So if you go to your Edge browser, you go on to the upper right three horizontal dots, Help and Feedback, and About Microsoft Edge. You will be moved at the ending .93, which is 134.0, 3124.93. Now, their blog posts page is not updated with any info yet, but I would guess that this probably has bug fixes again. I would guess maybe they're having some issues that is difficult for them to fix correctly, or when they fixed something, it broke something else. But it's pretty unusual for Microsoft Edge to have so many updates in such a short amount of time. So check it out. There was an update on the 24th, which was Monday, which sent their version to .85. Now today, March 26th, another one which brings their version to .93. So this is kind of interesting to see what is happening here. So if we have more details, I'll talk about it probably when I talk about the weekly security fix later this week. So you can check it out, but I'm pretty sure there probably isn't any security fixes in here. It's probably really just bug fixes. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.